whole thing.
Rick, it don't just snow down in Boone, does it?
No, it don't just snow in Boone.
Where is it? Is that the house right there on John Snyder?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Man, ain't that pretty.
I don't have to be in it this long. I'm going back in.
We got snow, man, in Lexington, North Carolina. This is snow in Lexington, North
It
Carolina.
had been like
baby.
3 years since it had snowed.
Oh, really? I was about to say, you acted like you ever got snow
Hey,
a lot.
Bob, what do you think about it, son? Bob.
It's me.
Oh, he thought you said bug. You thought he said bug, huh?
Huh?
He said, "Hey, Bob."